This is the book of Revelation, chapter 11, verse 14. The second woe is past, and behold, the third will come quickly. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Makakadash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And definitely shalom to the elders for representing Israel, definitely for sure, and representing the Heavenly Father Yahweh and His only begotten Son Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew. I say shalom to the elders, definitely for sure, and shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to the Heavenly Father Yahweh and His only begotten Son Yahweh Shai. And I say shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. And the title of the lesson is Revelations 11 and 14. This is the title of this sit-down lesson that I'm about to bring out. Because you look up the word W-O-E, woe, that means destruction. So the first woe passed, the second woe passed, now this is the third woe. Now I'm going to bring out Revelations 9 and Revelations 9 and 12. And this is the book of Revelation, chapter 9, verse 12. One woe is past, and behold, there come two woes more hereafter. Right, just like the first woe passed, the second woe passed. Now we are in the stages of the third woe. Because you look up the word woe, woe means destruction, So, and that's what we're seeing, that building up and increasing in the latter days. So that's why we're seeing a lot of activities and a lot of biblical signs, more global events, more major events. We see now so more than ever because we are in those times, And throughout Matthew's, the 24th chapter, Yahweh Shai, which is the only begotten Son, the Heavenly Father's only begotten Son, which is Yahweh Shai, as He spoke to the disciples, the disciples asked Him about when should we see these signs, when Yahweh Shai met with the disciples, and then these are the future, these are the future prophecies that was, definitely going to occur, and we are definitely in those times. We definitely see it a clear example of that we're living in these times, and these are the signs of the times that we are in, as we continue to measure the times, because that's a prime example of the signs of the times. You look at it in the book of Luke, the 21st chapter. Oh, okay then. Oh, okay. Right. Alright, see you when you get back, man. Alright. So, right, like I was mentioning again, just like the first woe, the second woe, now we in the stages of the third woe. Just like I read Revelations 11 and 14. The second woe is past, and behold, the third woe coming quick. Right, because the second woe has passed. Now we are in the stages in the third woe, So like I mentioned again, reading through the signs of the book of Matthew, the 24th chapter, shows you a clear example of what times that we are living in, of the times that was going to come in the near future, from the Heavenly Father's only begotten Son during His time, that was going to show forth in the near future, And as you see, 2nd Esdras, the 9th chapter, the 1st verse, as we continue to measure the time diligently in itself, I was going to see these signs that the Heavenly Father said that was going to occur. The Heavenly Father's only begotten Son said was going to occur in the latter days, as He spoke to the disciples in the book of Matthew, the 24th chapter. Signs, Luke, the 21st chapter, Mark, the 13th chapter as well too. Those are signs right there, So we're going to definitely see the increasing of wars and rumors of wars, nation against nation, kingdom against kingdoms, earthquakes in diverse places, the famines, pestilence, the plagues, love of many shall wax cold. Those are prime examples of the signs of the times that we're living in. And definitely for sure, we're living out the book of Revelations. In the book of Revelations, you got two major prophecies that's about to come to pass and is about to be fulfilled, and that's the MOTB of this central digital bank currency. You can read that in Revelations 13, verse 16, and through verse 18. And as I brought out Revelations 11 and 14, that's a major prophecy that's going to be fulfilled as well too. So these are the signs of the times that we are in. So the first woe passed, the second woe passed. Now we are in the stages of the third woe is about to come to pass. So these are major prophecies of the times that we're about to enter into. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying. I would. Probably a bill collector.
Open this thing up, boy. Down one D.
I wish.
What is it?
I'm finna check and see.
Don't take your time. It's one D.
I wish.
One D. Hell is it?
Oh, you seen her out there.
Huh?
Oh, she's something out there.
What the hell is that?
Oh, this is a bill collector. Yeah, that's what this is.
Like I get.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't putting that shit to start with like my phone. All right, man, that's all you did.
Oh, okay. That was all the bill.
Yeah. That's all good.
Yeah. I didn't want to see you back. Say good. My apology about that. I was talking to my mom, helping her out with something. But yeah, like I mentioned again, just like I brought out Revelations 11 and 14, and brought out Revelations 9 through 12, and the first woe passed, second woe passed. Now we in the stages, the third woe. Because you look up the word W-O-E, woe means destruction. So we're going to see that increasing in a lot of days, We're seeing more and more signs of that now, so more than ever, So with that, like I mentioned again, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders for representing Israel in the right way, and representing the Heavenly Father, Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Yahweh Shai. So definitely shalom to the elders out there that represent Israel, and shalom to the Akim scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching word truthfully and sincerely, in the names of Yahweh, Ba'ashem El Shai, Ba'ashem El Karkadash. And until next time, I will say shalom.